This batch looks perfectly ripe today. Yes, the color is excellent. Let's fill this crate before the sun gets too high.
This is the biggest fruit I have grown. I have spent many months tending to these trees in the orchard, and seeing this result is truly a rewarding experience.
Why did the farmer plant a seed in his back pocket?
I have no idea why.
He wanted to grow some pants.
Listen to that crunch. This is the freshest fruit you will find on this whole farm, and you really have to taste it to believe how good it is.
This is perfect. I really think this harvest is going to be our best one yet, given how healthy all of these beautiful papayas look today.
Perfect harvest.
We really did it this time, didn't we?
Yes, it is the best crop we have seen all season, thanks to everyone here.
This is perfect. It has just the right amount of softness, and the color is exactly what we are looking for in the harvest today.
This is perfect. It is amazing to see how well these have grown this season, especially with the extra rain we had earlier in the spring months.
Listen to that crunch. I have been tending to these trees for many months, and finally they are ready for us to enjoy this delicious harvest.
Why do farmers make the best detectives?
Yeah.
Because they always know how to get to the root of the problem and dig up the truth.
This is perfect. I have been waiting all season for a harvest like this one, and it is truly wonderful to see so much healthy fruit finally ready for everyone. This is perfect. I have been waiting all season for a harvest like this one, and it is truly wonderful to see so much healthy fruit finally ready for everyone. Perfect harvest.
It truly is the best yield we have seen all season, and the quality of these papayas is absolutely incredible for our local market.
Why do trees always have so many friends?
Because they have branching out capabilities and are always rooting for everyone else in the forest.
Why did the worker bring a ladder to the fruit factory?
Because they heard the papayas were on a higher shelf than the rest of the produce.
Quality check complete. The fruit is perfect. We have ensured that everything is up to our high standards for the final packaging and shipment to our customers today.
Why did the bubble go to school? Because it wanted to be a little bit brighter.
That is a really light-hearted way to look at things.
Quality check complete. The fruit is perfect and ready for distribution, so we can now proceed to the next stage of our packaging process for the day.
Why do papayas make such good detectives?
Yeah.
Because they always manage to get to the root of the problem and uncover the truth.
Why do bubbles always get in trouble at the factory?
I have no idea why.
Because they always have a tendency to burst under all that pressure.
Look at the quality control now, everyone. We need to ensure every single piece of fruit meets our high standards before it moves down the assembly line.
Look at the quality control now. Everything is being processed to the highest standard to ensure that our customers receive only the best fresh produce available today.
Look at the quality control now. Every single papaya is carefully inspected to ensure it meets our highest standards before it moves on to the packaging line. Look at the quality control now. We need to ensure that every single piece of papaya on this line meets our high standards before moving forward.
Look at the quality control now. It is essential that we maintain these high standards for every single piece of fruit that passes through this line today.
Look at the quality control now. It is absolutely essential that every single piece of fruit is inspected carefully to meet our high standards for the final product.